Yeah, but this time I have to be in.
I know. Hi, guys. We just got a pizza for our sleepover.
Peyton, show them what you did.
So, when the pizza got here, I was really crazy because I love pizza as Ivy and Krista know. I went like
Cheers.
This. I went like this. Pizza! And ran and almost crashed into a wall.
Yeah, but whatever.
And then,
Ava, grab my root beer.
and then I went like this. Let's eat.
Because we're eating on her bed. Like, legitly on her bed.
And she's okay with it, which is awesome.
Oh, she cares. We have a huge pizza box inside. And root beer.
I love pizza.
And shout out to Peyton. Peyton Brown.
Peyton's our friend from school. Sorry I look stupid.
Peyton Brown, but I forgot her middle name, so I won't.
Peyton something Brown. Yeah.
Wait, just use one of our extras right there. Yay, extra.
I was just like, ooh, yay, extra. As you guys would know about me, I love root beer. Root beer plus pizza equals happiness, and so does Wi-Fi plus
Pizza plus root beer equals happiness.
You remember my shirt?
Yes, I do.
Wi-Fi plus pizza equals happiness.
Peyton was like, just like this.
I did not do this.
Kind of.
I do that.
But after we're each on with one side, Ivy, pick a, get on it.
You guys, this is really good.
I feel good.
Okay.
Hashtag crust or hashtag no crust.
Yeah,
Because if you like crust or if you don't,
I like crust, but still, that crust looks disgusting.
Yeah, I don't really like crust.
comment hashtag crust if you like crust or hashtag no crust if you do not like crust. I bet you guys are wondering what the frick that Wonder Bear is. It's a disco light for us. Ivy
Actually, give it back.
didn't really like the idea of that. Oh, and here she is. Hi!
You're torturing my band. House 3.
There you Get the one back.
Actually, when I was 6. 'cause I was...
But when we're done with this, Peyton's going to do some backflips. I'm going to do some front flips. I'm going to do one front flip because I suck at it. Like, I'm so tiny
That's why her nickname at school is Tiny.
for Peyton.
And Ivy.
Comment hashtag
Her nickname
when you drink root beer and whenever you burp, it actually hurts.
It does because the bubbles.
Hashtag A&W.
So
For reals. I'm watching you.
Oh,
But we're not sponsoring this video.
yeah, we don't sponsor.
We don't even know how to. Oh, yeah, I do. They
I
give
do
us
too.
free root beer.
Well-
we have to make a commercial of stupid root beer. Oh, yeah.
Dummy.
Oh, I'm going to do my first thing that I did in first.
Also, that I'm actually gonna start a YouTube channel in a while. It's gonna be a pretty cool one, so I'm gonna be in a couple more videos probably.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. We're going to
Just
be
wait-
doing it in the morning, too.
just wait for those, and then at some point in the future, I'll tell you my YouTube channel, so you can go check that out.
Yeah, it's gonna be in
Goodbye.
like 2 years.
That was goodbye for Peyton. We'll see you back next video when we're done with our pizza.